So if you have watched my previous video, you will see how disappointed I was with the latest update of the OnePlus watch, as it was stated that the brand new features can't be used unless the OnePlus Health app is updated. Well, I am glad to tell you that the OnePlus Health app is finally available to update. Well, not officially through Play Store, but through APK Mirror. Firstly, on installing the app, there might be an instance where you will get a notification that the app did not install. If this happens, uninstall the older version and then install the brand new update. It will get a clean setup and you will have to connect your watch again. Do not worry, you will not lose any of your information. Well, without wasting any more time, let us get to see all the new features that are available with the B.65 update of this OnePlus watch. So first, it mentions the Spotify playlist. On starting the app after installation, you will get a banner on the Health app. To sync Spotify through the app, you will have to log in through the app. There seems to be some error while signing in through the Google app, so it will be better if you sign in manually and complete this process. Now that this is out of the way, when we play any media on the device, we get a similar notification as before on the OnePlus watch. But with this, we can now like any song we want and even change songs from the playlist that are available. Well, sadly, as shown in the demo, we can't like any songs yet or even change the songs from any selected playlist. This too will be fixed with an upcoming small update. Second, support for real-time navigation on the watch. Finally, this feature is now available on the OnePlus watch. Let us check it out again. So I have set my destination on the OnePlus 9 Pro, and well, as I kept my device down, raising my hand to see the watch, I am greeted with the real-time navigation support. This is really a great addition and just enhances the experience of our OnePlus watch. And I for one am definitely going to be using this feature whenever I can. Third, added 4 new watch faces. Well, this feature says it all. There are 4 new watch faces available on the OnePlus Health app, which are Swirl, Eclipse, Punk Rock Una, and my daily favorite, Daily Exercise. All these 4 watch faces add a unique twist to the watch. And finally, support mobile phone alarm reminder linkage. Well, this feature is still a mystery as I could not get it to work. Next, under optimization, it now has optimized sleep algorithm and made sleep detection better. This is a great addition as if you take a nap during the day, it will record that as well to get a proper reading in the Health app. But as shown here, it will only record sleep time over 20 minutes. And finally, optimize vibration intensity. Now, when you go to settings on the watch and go to sound and vibration and go to vibration intensity, we can see that there are 2 options available and it can be chosen as per our liking. Well, that is it for today. Here are all the features and optimizations that are added to the OnePlus watch with the B.65 update. If you want to be up to date with all the latest features and updates with the OnePlus watch or other OnePlus devices, you should definitely subscribe as well, and I will see you very soon.